Hi, this is Dr. David Gawain, and I want to apologize. Last week I got a call from someone who asked me about the EX735, and then he kind of reamed my butt a little bit saying, hey, why didn't you tell me about this earlier? And then I realized that there's a lot of people we haven't really shared about the EX735 about. So I want to spend a few minutes and just briefly talk about it and then tell you where there's a website that you can learn much more about it. The EX735 works directly on the skin, and it monitors and influences the nervous system of our body with electrical communication. It's as simple as actually turning it on by placing it on the body like that. The device gives you feedback about where is the primo places to make the best changes, and gives you feedback on how much and how well the body is actually responding to those electrical impulses. The Cosmonic listens on 46 channels, and one of those channels is cellular level exchange of the membrane potential. What it's measuring actually is simple, and it's really profound in nature. It measures that exact moment when cellular regeneration actually occurs. You see, when a cell gets damaged, or it's injured, or it ages, it doesn't breathe well. It isn't taking in good information. It's not taking in oxygen, it's not taking in nutrients, it's not taking in hydration. And one way to help that is actually to work on the outside of the cell with these electrical impulses to be able to give the body what it needs in order to actually shift that membrane potential, or to know exactly now when that system is in a regeneration cycle. And that's what the EX735 does so profoundly. This monitoring, so it gives you the feedback when it actually tells you that it's occurred, and if it hasn't occurred, it actually then provides the necessary information on this 46 channels to get the body to make that membrane potential shift. And now when that's completed, you can go on to the next area. So you can then work on more systems, meaning we don't have to spend needless time over and over again. Now, this monitoring now allows a user, whether or not they're 10 years old or 96, what the minimum amount completed to make a profound change. Now, here's a quick story to explain that. This is from Frey Renault in Pineville, Missouri. Both my 96-year-old mother and I have been using the EX735 Modific on a regular basis. She has a very painful, degenerated frozen shoulder, and she's on Aricept. Her shoulders have improved every day since she's been using the EX735. And now she's been actually increasingly doing yard work and increasingly using that right arm more and more. She says she feels as good as she did 5 years ago, and she loves it. Now, a week later, we got another note from Faye saying, you won't believe this, but Mom is feeling so much better yesterday that she was actually cutting a ½ acre of grass with a riding lawnmower. Faye also reported that she feels less pain, she feels stronger and more positive and hopeful since she's been using the EX735. Now, isn't that what you really want for you and your family members? See, when we receive the feedback that the EX735 has dosed, we know that all the other good things that we're doing are actually going to be better, and all the bad stuff that we did isn't now nearly as bad. This is what separates this device from really any of the other electrical devices out there, in that it assesses and treats all in the same moment. You don't have to wait from another expert whether or not you're right or not. It allows you to be the expert right here and right now. So to find out more about the EX735, because there are so many different things this baby will do, go to www.735.com, and you can even order one today from there. EX735.com. Also, you can call customer service at 310-733 310-733-1292. That's 310-733-1292. Thanks.